Bills or acts, enactments are against the people. They are anti-democratic, they are anti-constitutional in the sense they are named in Sanskrit, which cannot be done as per Article 348, which is known to everybody. Not only that, they are against the interest of the persons accused of offence and persons who are victims of the offence. So these cannot be implemented. They have to be abolished and revisited. The Parliament have to undertake that exercise of revisiting these laws, unless otherwise the DMK legal wing and the advocate fraternity of Tamil Nadu will not rest.
It was 15 days. Court can, if a person is arrested, if an accused is arrested, court can take custody of your person through magistrate within 15 days. Now the new act says 45 days, within 45 days they can take custody. It is giving enormous power to the police to frame false charges against the accused. That is why we are objecting the entire new implementation. Moreover, some of the sections says even if a person is convicted in the new act, he has to pay not less than 5 lakhs. And other section says he has to pay fine not less than 10 lakhs. It is very difficult to pay the entire, that is 5 lakhs and 10 lakhs. Even our common people, that is people, even they cannot afford to pay 10,000 rupees to the fine amount. Even moreover, a lot of people are there in jail without paying fine amount. At that time, when the situation is there, this central government, without consulting the stakeholders, they have implemented this act, the draconian act. We are objecting the implementation of new acts. Sir. Not in Hindi language, the Sanskrit has been imposed. The earlier Indian Penal Code was name was changed. Also, the Indian Evidence Act name was changed. The CRPC, that name was also changed. Changing of name, they have to say what is the need for changing of the name, but they have not stated so far. That is, without any consultation, the act was renamed and also the act was implemented. That is why we are objecting.
So Monday,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We are totally boycotting the entire court proceedings to condemn the proceedings. It is initially 1 day, sir. We are going to start our protest if the act is continued.
So you also call for an
other form of protest, sir. Other form of protest we have also called.